Disguise your 12 ounces canned beverages to look like a soda can by a well-known brand. Fully cover a 12 ounces can's original artwork with the design of a soda and disguise its content. The reusable silicone sleeve slides over your 12-ounce can in order to cover the original factory design. Now you can be discreet with your drinking preferences anywhere you go. This product should not be used for drinking alcohol where not permitted by law. Top reviews from the United States. Keep your Coke cold. My husband drinks a lot of Coke and we go out on the boat all the time. He says they work really well. As a matter of fact, we bought 2 packages of them. They are also good for hiding beers where beer is not allowed. Purchase.